What's going down, YouTube? You already know what it is. It's your boy, King Coopa. Now this time I got something different for y'all. Another fat stack, you know what I'm saying? I got some Rice Krispie Treats and I got some cookies. Now I wanted to do maybe a sandwich or something like that. But first you got to put them in the microwave at least about 30 seconds or 20 seconds, however you like it. I like mine hot. So I'm going to break off a little piece and I'm going to make me a little sandwich in between the Rice Krispie Treats with the cookie. See how this tastes. And we just gonna, like I said, I'm gonna just start getting right into things, you know. The Rice Krispie is so good, it's chewy. I put it in the microwave, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna taste test it out. Let's see how this tastes, you know what I'm saying? So let's get it. Okay. I like it. Something different. All my excuse me, all my snacks be good. So yeah. You put it in that microwave. 30 seconds is the best. You can't just eat cookies plain, you know what I'm saying? You gotta warm them up in the microwave for at least about 20 seconds, 15 seconds, or 30 seconds. 30 seconds is probably the best. But this is all I really have for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Thank you so much for the people that is continue to support me. I appreciate that. We're gonna just keep going, you know what I'm saying? I really want to start doing some vlogs or something like that, but I don't really be going nowhere, you know. So I'm trying to contact some other YouTubers or some other content creators. So that one was a good bite. That's really good. So I'm thinking about doing some other videos. If y'all have any other video ideas, let me know down in the comment section. I will be doing some more fat snacks. If you don't see any more fat snacks, that means I moved on to something new. You know what I'm saying? So thank you guys so much for watching. I will continue this and finish this. If you like this video, leave a like, comment. You know, make sure you go subscribe. Make sure you share the video with your friends and family. You know, let people know what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? So if you enjoyed this video, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out. Peace. Taking this with me.